said, "Oh God, it's coming in the car."
If you ever feel like you might need someone to remind you who still believes, don't forget I'm not so far from home. Don't forget I'm not so far from home. 'Cause when it's you, my heart feels it too. Hold on, I'm coming through. Just call, just call, just call.
Welcome to Moab. So we decided to take a trip with our dance besties, the Kerr family, to Utah. So we're staying in this VRBO with amazing views. This is the porch off of the master bedroom. And I'll take you to the back there to see the other views. So we flew into Salt Lake City, which is about a 3-hour drive to Moab. 3.5. We stopped at Fifth Water Hot Springs on the way. Someone to remind me who still believed it didn't matter you were far from home. 'Cause you were never really far from home. So if you ever feel like you might need someone to remind you still believe. Alright, we're off. 2.3 mile hike to the hot spring. It's like a 600-foot elevation gain, I think.
Come on, guys, we have a good ways to go.
Or no?
It's about 46 degrees.
Oh, somebody wrote that.
No. That is not from the park.
Well, the website says that new.
Uh-oh.
Beware for music.
Hope we don't scar the girls for life.
Like Jamie.
Uh-huh.
We can just go right there.
I don't think that's one of the springs. I think, that might be one. I don't know, we gotta find one. We gotta find one to put all this crazy in.
Well, we don't know which one is the
Is that one?
Huh?
I don't know how to tell which one's the actual spring. So that was, is that one right there?
right there.
Uh-huh.
I mean, it didn't feel that one. Like, it's not one of the hottest ones.
Well, then it's not one, because they're supposed to get hotter as you go. Is that one with the rock?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, over there.
So we're here at Fifth Water Hot Spring. Come as early as you can, because even though this is a lesser known one, it still gets pretty busy. Also, as you hike up the trail closer to this waterfall, each little spring gets hotter and hotter. So it's pretty hot to walk around up here by the waterfall, but still a really cool view.
Don't forget I'm not so far from home. Don't forget I'm not so far from home. 'Cause when it's you, my heart feels it too. Hold on, I'm coming through. Just call, just call, just call.
which was amazing. And then we got here to Moab with definite plans for Canyonlands National Park, renting razors, dune buggies, whatever you want to call those, and Arches National Park as well, and Dead Horse Point State Park.
If you ever feel like you might need someone to remind you who still believes, don't forget I'm not so far from home. Don't forget I'm not so far from home. 'Cause when it's you, my heart feels it too. Hold on, I'm coming through. Just call, just call, just call. All you ever need to do is when all you need is
All right, getting ready to go. What trail are we heading to? Chicken Corner. Chicken Corner. Trail. Peyton, stick your head up. Peyton's back there. Jamie's back is worst day, so she's resting. We'll see about picking her up later.
no, I won't ever hear excuses. We're in this till the end. Sometimes I felt like I might need someone to remind me who still believed.
Broad-shouldered anthropomorphous human figures with short arms that extend straight out from the shoulder.
This is the birthing rock.
It is. No, it's not. Are those real feet of them?
It means something. It's a story.
These have been here for a long, long time.
I don't know, but it tells like it's their story of their life.
Then these chisels. And
We don't know what it means.
This is how they documented their existence.
As you can see, there's some real rock climbers there.
Didn't matter, you were far from home. 'Cause you were never really far from home. So if you ever feel like you might need someone to remind you who still believes, don't forget I'm not so far from home. Don't forget I'm not so far from home. 'Cause when it's you, my heart feels it too. Hold on, I'm coming through. Just call, just call, just call. All you ever need to do is when all you need is a friend.
Oh, okay.
Peyton wants more exciting. And why, Peyton?
guys, there's a barn here.
There's a bar in here for a reason. We'll check in later. Say bye, Dee.
Bye. Okay, we're gonna attempt a steep little hill with some rocks on it.
All right, I've got a little bit lower clearance than you.
Oh, yeah, it does not look as steep on camera.
Good, that's it.
Don't know why, but I think it's Catacomb Caves. A cave nonetheless, though.
We're all
Oh,
going.
no.
Come on, Ashlyn. Oh my God, hold my hand.
Oh, God!
What?
None. You can't see.
Where are the
Mom's
boys?
And Ashton, or Amber's flashlight don't
Did
do
the boys
nothing.
go this way?
No, I don't know.
Dad, please hold my hand. I don't want to be first.
What's that way? What if there's like a bear?
Your flashlig's so much better.
Stay with Joey.
Your phone sucks.
Dad, wait.
We're at the end.
Okay, it only went that far?
That's it.
Is there, what's in this? I mean, it's cool and scary at the same time.
Where's Boston Gates?
Who knows? I told them to stay together, don't climb anything dumb. Watch your head, Ash. Watch your head, Dave. And you can go ahead and hit it.
I hear that.
Oh, oh my God!
What?
They're way up there!
I said don't climb anything dumb.
I don't know what your dad's talking about.
This is a
Wait
big
for
one,
me,
guys.
John!
This is a big one.
John!
Yeah.
You're going too fast! I only have one hand for climbing.
For tax purposes, we are on YouTube.
Joe, no. You can't video. That's when all the scary stuff's in up here.
Yeah, Dad.
Come on. We have to come in. It's cold in here.
This is like a documentary where,
Go
like,
come out and eat
3
it.
weeks from now,
No.
3
no,
weeks,
Stop.
3 weeks from now, the Moab tour company
No.
calls 911 because they found our
Video?
7 bodies.
they found our UTVs
No. Stop.
with nobody around.
No, no, no.
Yeah.
That's actually like kind of
Oh god, that looks like fingers.
It's slow up over there. Oh, Joey's down! You okay?
Yeah.
I got it right back.
Yeah. Don't mind her. We found a random McDonald's that serves liquor in the middle of the desert. Anyway,
Toilet.
that actually didn't hurt at all.
Walking up to it, that's gonna scare us. Hold us. Let's try to get cold, girl. Okay. No. No, it's Dave that
Look at it. It just like
I think it's
slowly.
Yeah.
Something bigger.
I could easily just crumble up on us.
Yeah. Collapse on us.
Yep, this is the way.
I'm feeling.
I hear you guys.
Hey, stand right there.
I think it's closer to you.
I've been shaking, I love it when you go crazy. You take all my inhibitions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. You take me places that tear.
All right, we made it to the end of the chicken head lane or something, whatever. Chicken
corners.
Chicken court.
Corners.
Chicken corners. Whatever. This is why I don't do the narrating.
Hey, are you coming to climb up with us?
Beautiful.
At the end.
Don't slip, Joey.
Oh, there's a hole.
We saw them the whole time.
All right, We picked up a hitchhiker on the way back. Say hello, hitchhiker.
Hi.
Hey, who is that?
Ashley.
Oh, you couldn't come up with something better?
All right.
What?
A pigeon.
Pigeon. What do you have to say about that, pigeon?
She's a rat.
A rat and a pigeon. Here we go, folks. Got the cars behind us.
If you ever feel like you might need someone to remind you who still believes, don't forget I'm not so far from home. Don't forget I'm not so far from home. 'Cause when it's you, my heart feels it too. Hold on, I'm coming through. Just call, just call, just call. All you ever need to do is, when all you need is a friend. No, I won't ever hear excuses. We're in this till the end.
All right. So, if you can see way back there is Jamie, Dawson, and Peyton. So, Jamie had a good day resting. Back was starting to feel a little bit better, but this was more rock climbing and jarring, so it did her in. And then, as good as the kids did all day, we were out on the trail for about 4 hours, 5 hours earlier. The tire came, we got stuck in one little pot. It tipped a little bit and they lost it. So we are now going this way in a one-way because it's the only way out. So we're almost at the end. They're being troopers.
Someone to remind me who still believed it didn't matter you were far from home. 'Cause you were never really far from home. So if you ever feel like you might need someone to remind you who still believes, don't forget I'm not so far from home. Don't forget I'm not so far from home. 'Cause when it's you, my heart feels it too. Hold on, I'm coming through. Just call, just call, just call.